The iPhone is known for strong performance, apps, and security. So many users rely on it to store important data. That's why iCloud or iTunes backups are essential. But sometimes, iPhone won't back up iCloud or a computer. What causes this, and how can you fix it? Let's take a look. Part 1. Why won't my iPhone back up? iCloud storage is full or not working. Apple ID issues. Weak Wi-Fi connection. Using a different iCloud account. Logged out of iCloud or Apple ID. Antivirus blocking connection. iCloud backup is turned off on iPhone. Part 2. How to fix iPhone won't back up to iCloud. Fix 1. Ensure the iCloud backup feature is turned on. Fix 2. Ensure your iCloud account has enough space. Fix 3. Reset your iCloud account. Fix 4. Reset your network settings. Fix 5. Restart your iPhone. Part 3. How to fix iPhone won't back up to iTunes. Fix 1. Make sure your iTunes is up to date. Fix 2. Update the USB driver. Fix 3. iTunes issues. Part 4. How to fix iPhone won't back up to the computer. Fix 1. Restart both your computer and iPhone. Fix 2. Make sure your computer has enough space. Fix 3. Disable security software on your computer. Fix 4. Update your computer operating system. Part 5. iPhone still won't back up? Try the best alternative backup method. iPhone won't back up even with enough space? If basic fixes don't work, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It's a third-party tool that lets back up data to computer and manage files without jailbreaking. How to use Assistant for iOS to back up your iPhone to your computer. Step 1. Install and launch Mobikin Assistant for OS on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer through a USB cable, and Assistant for OS will recognize your iPhone automatically if the connection is successful. Step 2. On the main interface of this program, you will see a list of files including apps, books, videos, bookmarks, calendars, messages, contacts, and photos that you can back up to your PC. Click on the files that you want to back up to your computer. Step 3. Click the Export button to start the transfer process from your iPhone to your computer. Once the transfer process is done, you view your backup files on your PC. You can also enjoy its one-click backup and restore function. Go to the Super Toolkit section and select iTunes Backup and Restore. From there, just click Backup, and the program will automatically create a full backup of your iPhone data to your computer without complicated steps.